clapping for the display. A nice smile on their faces. They are all ready to bring the ground on fire with their amazing performance. A big hand for them, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, what a wonderful formation. Very well done, boys. A big hand for all of them. They have been rehearsing for this display since the past month. They are listening to the instructions of their teacher with concentration and following them like anything. Let's see what they have in their display now. All right, they are rolling over. It's okay, beta, no problem. Keep on clapping as they move on. Very well done, boys. I would request the parents to keep on clapping for all the participants. They need your appreciation and encouragement. Wonderful performance. You made our day, boys. That was brilliantly performed. Excellent.